Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to our YouTube channel. This video will be a simple tutorial on how you can connect CJ Dropshipping with Shopify. So essentially, I'm going to be explaining what CJ Dropshipping is, how you can set up this amazing service on Shopify. I'll also guide you through the process of how you can connect to your Shopify store, add products, and more. So without much further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, CJ Dropshipping is a powerful platform which is designed to seamlessly integrate with a wide range of e-commerce platforms, ensuring that you can reach customers across multiple channels. When you visit the CJ Dropshipping suppliers page, you'll be amazed by the extensive list of integrations available, covering industry giants like eBay and Etsy, as well as emerging platforms like TikTok or Lazada. And this amount of versatility empowers you to diversify your sales channels and tap into new customer bases, which amplifies your online presence and potential for growth. But of course, for today's video, we'll be mainly guiding you through the process of integrating CJ Dropshipping with Shopify, pretty much the most popular and user-friendly e-commerce platforms. And the very first step would be to install the CJ Dropshipping application from the Shopify App Store. So navigate to the Apps section of your Shopify admin panel and then search for CJ Dropshipping. And after that, just simply click the install button. And after installing the application, you'll be prompted to create a new account or log into your existing CJ Dropshipping account. So if you're a new user, the account creation process is straightforward and very user-friendly. Simply provide your email address, choose a secure password, and then enter your phone number if prompted. Once you have an account set up, you can grant access to the application within your Shopify store with just a few clicks, which will establish a seamless connection between these two platforms. So with a CJ Dropshipping account ready, it's time to connect our Shopify store. So head over to CJdropshipping.com and then log in with your credentials. Under the My Stores section, you will find the edit button. So click on it and then enter the URL of your Shopify store. And this is the crucial step that will establish a seamless connection between your store and CJ Dropshipping, allowing you to leverage the power of dropshipping with ease and efficiency. Moving on, we would want to add products to our Shopify store. So click on the CJ Dropshipping logo to access the diverse product categories. And if, for example, you want to start with a popular and trendy item, such as with a hoodie or a sweater with some kind of stylish pocket design, then you can search CJ Dropshipping's massive catalog of products and find any kind of product that you would want, for example, a related product like Valentine's Day gift, or whatever that you think might complement your existing offerings, and then create attractive product bundles that will surely catch your customers' attention. Once you've found a product that aligns with your brand and resonates with your target audience, simply click Add to List, and from here we can change the product's name so that it changes our branding and marketing strategy. You can craft a compelling title that entices potential customers. You can also customize and engage with descriptions that highlight the product's features or benefits, maybe unique selling points, ensuring that your listings stand out from the competition. Now, of course, CJ Dropshipping also empowers you to set the price that you want to sell for the items. And in that case, you would be in control of your own profit margins. As you adjust the pricing, CJ Dropshipping will provide you with real-time calculations, displaying the potential profit margin that you can expect for each one of the products. And this is amazing so that you can make informed decisions and optimize your pricing strategy for maximum profits. After adding the product and customizing the details, it's time to ensure that everything is seamlessly integrated. So head back to your CJ Dropshipping account and navigate to the product section. And here you will find the product that you just added, and it should be automatically connected to your Shopify store, ensuring a smooth and efficient order fulfillment process. To complete the integration process, return to your Shopify admin panel and refresh the products page. You should now see the product listed there, ready to be showcased to your customers. Feel free to further customize the product details, such as the title, descriptions, or pricing, so that you can perfectly align it with your brand and marketing strategy. And once it's time to make your new product visible, so navigate to your Shopify theme customizer and update the featured products section with your newly added item. And this will ensure that your customers can easily discover and purchase your latest offerings that you just seamlessly integrated using CJ Dropshipping. And that's really all about it on how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify store and complete our first added product. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know what you think of it in the comment section down below. And if you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you don't miss out on any follow-up content that we can make related to this one.